What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Clams. I'm Will, here on the North Shore doing a little bit of porgy fishing. I'm at a dock here with a bunch of broken clams there on top of it from the bird. Sorry, thought I just got a hit. But we're fishing some cut bait, some clams, and see what we come up with. Very little taps happening. Oh, hey, that's not so little. This actually feels, I don't know, this is not a, I don't think it's a porgy. It's trying to run, whatever it is. If it is a porgy, it's a good one. Let's see. Oh, it is a porgy, and it is a good one. All right, we are in. There you go. Long Island porgy. Exactly what I was looking for, and that only took a couple of minutes. I think they're hanging along these pilings, eating the barnacles off of them. So you give him a nice piece of clam. He actually had both hooks. Greedy little guy. But there you go. Long Island porgy in the box. Alright, we brained and bled, and we're gonna put some water in here to let that guy finish bleeding out. Rebait up. Also, thank you Toadfish for the folding cutting board and fillet knife. Comes in handy. Let's get back out there and see if we can get another one. Oh, and we're already on. Are you kidding? I might have gotten robbed. That was fast. These guys are no joke. I think, so this is just theory, I think what happens, if you notice all the seashells kind of up on the dock there, the birds will get the clams, smack them against there to bust them open. And I think sometimes the clams fall into the water here, so the porgies line up. All right, so we got robbed on our bait, so we're rebaited this time. Oh no, are we on the dock? Let's see if I can get off of there. Uh-oh. Oh, this is the risk of going near the dock there. Hopefully. Oh no. Yeah, we got it back. There we go. I think we got another decent one. Let's see. Yeah. Oh yeah. There you go. Just the right size. This guy's all lit up. Hang on, these guys just caught the biggest sea robin I've seen. Oh my god. That's a huge sea robin. That's obscene. Look how it's just barely hooked.
I know, that's a good hook.
So hang on, I'll help you guys out.
Okay, I'll hold it.
So this was just a quick little mission. I was running down to see, this is right by my house over here. and I was just seeing if anything was biting on the outgoing tide, which they were. I think I missed the window. I caught just that little peak right after high tide. But so I think what we're gonna do too is porgy bacon. Kind of excited about that. I got an idea in my head. We're gonna make porgy bacon and then make grilled cheese. I'm stoked. Regular brine. I got sea salt, Eagle Part sea salt, and brown sugar. But we're gonna put in some molasses. Give a little extra flavor. Not too much. Little goes a long way in there. And this water was up to a boil, so we're going to dissolve all this and then let it cool down and add our fish and let the fish sit overnight. Alright, we're going to do a quick scaling of these guys because I want that skin, because after we smoke them we're going to pan sear them to get them nice and crispy. We got scales everywhere. Perfect grilled cheese size right there. Also, thank you, Mike, for these knives. I mean, look at this. This is absurd. These things are awesome. Is gorgeous. My tweezers so that we can take out these pin bones. I don't know, anyone that knocks porgy, that is beautiful fillet. And I mean, even if you were doing a sandwich just as is like this, that skin crisps up so nice. It is really a tasty, clean fish. That molasses, I know it looks pretty ominous. You can see me in there, it's so dark. But it's not as potent as you would think, but okay. Putting our fillets in. That was a chunky little porgy. That's a good one. Alright, we'll see you tomorrow morning. Took them out, let them air dry in the fridge on this rack for about an hour so that they get that pellicle, and that's what the smoke will stick to. And we got our smoker raging. That is way too warm in there. Alright, temp, we're going to drop that all the way down to about 120. The issue is that it needs to be all the way up to get the smoke going. So I get the smoke going and then drop it down, throw these in, and they're only going to be in there probably, I don't know, 45 minutes. They're small. Oh yeah. Oh, that is perfect. I'm gonna get these into the fridge to bring their temp all the way down, get them nice and cold. Then we'll hit them in the pan so that they don't overcook while we're crisping them. I'm gonna get my oil pretty hot in here, and a good amount of it, because my fear is that because of the sugar content on these from the molasses, is that they might stick to this pan. Oh, I think we're in business. Oh yes, yes we are. No, we're good. Perfection. Absolutely perfection. Perfect. Now, just to show you, even with that fry we just did on it, that is still nice and juicy. And the molasses is unbelievable. Tastes like bacon. Okay, let's make our grilled cheese. So I have here rye bread. That is, in my opinion, the only option. And then the other only option is American cheese. Because if you're using anything else, well, that's just not American. Took a couple of bites out of this one, but that's okay. Fits perfect. And I go a little bit of mustard on my top piece. But a little bit of mayo on the bread. Not too much, just a little bit. And then the butter goes in the pan. And then while this goes in the pan, we'll do the same thing to the piece of bread on the other side. Now we're going to do these one at a time. The desire to put both in is there, but that will overcrowd the pan, make it nearly impossible to flip. So we're going to do them one at a time. And you can also speed up the cheese melting by putting a lid on top. But we have that on a moderate heat so that it doesn't toast the bread too quickly. Perfection. Get some of that butter. All right. Oh, perfect. Okay. Everybody knows you cut it on an angle. Ooh. Oh my goodness. All right, Mama Clams.
Howdy.
So you have smoked porgy. I tried to make porgy bacon, tomato, American cheese, and mustard.
Oh my, that's interesting. You have to tell me how you make bacon out of fish.
Well, you'll have to watch the video.
Oh, okay. Here it goes. The first thing is very juicy. Good feel. Yes, I'm getting it. Yeah,
All
but
right.
it's not overpowering.
It shouldn't be.
Yeah, no, it's very
It's
nice
like-
because I'm
should be
tasting
like
the
bacon.
tomato.
Yeah.
Yeah,
All right.
really nice.
Going in on a bite.
Mm.
You know, not bad for 30 minutes worth of fishing, going down the block and seeing what I could come up with. Pretty decent lunch.
Will kept telling me about what he was going to do, so I didn't want to ruin it, but I did have an apple.
Oh,
But this was worth waiting for.
all right. And to all you purists out there who say cheese and fish can't go together,
Mm,
I beg to
Perfect.
differ. Yeah, perfect.
perfect.
All right. Well, all right, guys. I think this will just be a short and sweet one, but a success in my book. I'm pretty happy. And this is the first time I've brine fished with molasses, but I like the way it came out. So I think I'll do that
Yeah,
again.
it's not overly sweet as a result of the molasses, and
No.
you don't really taste the molasses.
No, no.
But very, very nice. Nice combination.
All right. Well, all right, guys. I will see you on the next one. Also, you guys have been sharing the channel. That's a big deal to me. And if you are watching this and you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that like button. That helps me out the most. Likes and comments, then YouTube will put the videos out there. So if you do that, I really do appreciate it. So I'll see you on the next one.
Thank you.